So children, continuing with the exercise questions of 3.1. It is the first part is, first I'm taking A part, objective questions, objective type. That is the A part. In this, what is there? The ratio between the dash and dash is called pressure. What is the first part will be? From the first blank we will fill force. And the second blank will fill area. Then second part, when a force of 1 Newton will be there, acts on area cross section of 1 meter square, pressure is said to be 1 Pascal. So second blank will be Newton. Newton, and second blank will be Pascal. Third part is what? Cutting edge of instruments is sharpened by decreasing is the word given here. Decreasing. And see here, not only area will be there, area of cross section, because that blank is here. So area of cross section. So what the word is here is area of cross section. Area of cross section is what? This is the word, because they have given the suitable words as what should be filled. So area of cross section is a better term there. Third part is what? Cutting edge of instruments is sharpened by decreasing. The first blank will fill here, decreasing. Decreasing. Then second blank, decreasing the area of cross section, the pressure increases. So second blank will be what? Pressure. Fourth part is what? The broad tires of a tractor reduce. So the word which will fill here is reduce. Fifth part, with the increase in force, the magnitude of pressure on given area increases. Increases. Okay then, true and false. And B part there. First, second, third, fourth and fifth. First part is what? Thrust per unit volume is pressure, not volume, it will be area, so it is false. Second part is pressure increases with increase in surface area. Area increases, pressure will decrease, so that also is false. Third is pressure increases with increase in surface area. Sorry, second part is 1 Pascal is pressure produced by a force of 1 kgf, not 1 kgf. 1 kgf is not there, 1 Newton will be there. That's why false. And third part also is false, because with the increase in area, pressure will decrease, not increase. Fourth part, pressure decreases in the weight of object. If weight of object increases, pressure will decrease or increase. So pressure will increase, so it is also false. Fifth part, SI unit pressure is Newton. It is false, because it is SI unit is what? SI unit pressure is Pascal. So here the word volume is wrong in the first part. 1 Pascal is pressure produced by a force of 1 kgf is not there. It should be 1 Newton. Third, pressure increases with the increase in pressure surface area. No, it will decrease. Pressure decreases with increase in weight of object. So that also is false. Now, C part and take up now. C part is again true and false only. First one. These all things are on page 41. Page 41, these things are there. Straight long skis used by skiers reduce the pressure on snow. Obviously, true. So that they can move smoothly. Then, second part is what? The broad side of the thumb tack increases the pressure on the thumb. Actually, the side is broad, what happens? Area is more, so pressure will be less. Really false. Third part is what? A blunt nail easily penetrates. No, a sharp nail penetrates. That also is false. What is the fourth part? The edge of knife is sharpened to increase pressure. Yes, that is true. So that area reduces and pressure is more, easily you can cut it. Foundations of high-rise buildings are small. No, they are made large. What are the foundations of high-rise buildings? They are made very wide. Okay, so these are the parts. Then D part. Pick the most appropriate options. First one. With the increase in weight of object, pressure, what will happen to pressure? It will increase. So A option. With the increase in the area of contact of object, with the increase in area of contact, if area increase, what will happen? Pressure will decrease. So B option. Third one is what? 1 Pascal is what? Generated by the force of 1 Newton on 1 meter square. So that is A option. Then fourth question. In order to glide on snow, one must wear flat and long skis. The rear wheels of a trailer have large number of wheels so that they reduce the pressure on the road. Yes, so B part. Okay, that's clear. Now, mind the following. With the first one, buildings have wide foundations. Why? Which buildings? High-rise buildings. So first we'll have C option. Second one, tools have very small surface. Why so? Which tools are those? The cutting tools. So cutting tools option is E. Third one, the ratio of thrust, force and area cross section. That is obviously pressure only. So this pressure is which option? D. Fourth option, unit of pressure in SI system is Pascal. B. Then fifth part, decreasing the pressure exerted on an object without changing its area of contact. So if you are decreasing the pressure by the object without, if you are not changing the area, so what will happen? What you have to do? You have to reduce the force, obviously. Then see here from this fourth exercise, many answers have marked, but answer number 3H I am writing now. Answer number 3H part, that is not given directly, or so I am writing it there. Other parts are there. They are saying why a sharp nail easily penetrates in the wood but not a blunt nail. So right here, a sharp nail has smaller area of cross section, a sharp nail has smaller area of cross section compared to a blunt nail. So for the same applied force, that means if same force are applying in the case of sharp and blunt, more pressure acts on wood for a sharp nail than a blunt nail. So it penetrates easily. So what is that? Sharp nail has got smaller area cross section and blunt nail has got more. So sharp nail has got smaller area. And what the formula you will write? Since P is equal to F upon A. So what happens? So area of sharp is less than area of blunt. So pressure exerted will be more on the wood for the sharp as compared to the pressure in the case of blunt. This also you can write. Some more questions. Then 3.2. A type, which is the page number here, page number 46. Pressure into liquid is independent. So for the liquid it is independent. Second part, fluids at a given depth exert same pressure. Yes, same pressure in all directions. That one is Pascal's law. Pressure exerted by liquid increases with increase in depth. So more the depth, so increases. And the fourth part, pressure exerted by liquid decreases with the increase in density. So density is decreased, pressure also will decrease. So if less is the density, less is the pressure. The hulls of the submarine. Then B part, some are incorrect there, you have to correct that. Now inversely is there. cut that and write there directly. Second question. It is written unequally. So that word unequally you cut and write equally. You have to cut that un there. And one more word is given, diminished force. Undiminished force. So you have to write add there un. So that it is by diminished force, it should be undiminished force. Third part, different word you cut there. Different liquids exert the same pressure. So that word different you cut. Why? Because if liquids are different, they will have different densities. That are different I am cutting. Same pressure. After the word pressure, you write in all directions. In all directions. In all directions. I have not written very rubbish way. Let me write properly. In all directions. In all directions at a given depth. Then fourth part, deep sea divers, specially designed suits. The last these words you got deep sea creatures. You got these words deep sea creatures. You got these words. What you write there? Huge pressure of water. Then what? True and false statements. That's the C part. How to do this one? Write true or false. C part. More the density of liquid, less the pressure. So density is more, will the pressure be less? No. Density is more, pressure will be more for the liquids. False. Second part. Liquids always seek their own level. That's true. That's the principle of the domestic water supply to the pumps. At a given depth, liquid exerts more pressure in downward than the upward direction. That is false. Equally in all directions. Fourth part. Dams are made thicker at the base to withstand the huge pressure. That's true. Then D part. Pressure exerted at any point of an enclosed liquid is transmitted in all directions equally. First C part. Here there can be a between this one because it should be ideally in all directions. It should be equally in all directions. But they are comparing toward the side, toward the base, all these things. That's why this option is appropriate here in all directions. In all directions. I'm not writing that. Then pressure exerted by liquid at a given depth. That will do depth. Directly proportional to the density, both A and B. So C option. Then there is study questions.